Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix pre-authentication PlayIntegrity verification failed problem in ChatGPT. So let's see the solution. First of all, you need to disconnect VPN. If you have connected any VPN, first disconnect VPN and then uninstall your ChatGPT and again install it. After this process, if still your problem not solved, then follow this step. First, you need to uninstall ChatGPT, so that find out your ChatGPT and uninstall it. Just click on OK. After uninstalling ChatGPT, just open Chrome browser. After opening Chrome browser, just search ChatGPT. And then open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, click on three-dot icon. Now click on Add to Home Screen and then click on Install. Now go back and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.